Neon, the Brazilian digital bank, does not have its own SWIFT/BIC code because it is not a direct participant in the SWIFT network for international transfers. Neon operates in partnership with other institutions to facilitate these services. For international money transfers sent to a Neon account, the SWIFT/BIC code you need will depend on the specific partner institution Neon uses at that time or the third-party service you are using to send the money. You will need to check within the Neon app or with the chosen international transfer service, like Wise or PayPal, for the correct details, as the underlying banking partner can change. For international transfers coming into your Neon account in Brazil, you generally can't receive them directly using a SWIFT/BIC code associated with Neon. Neon typically relies on third-party services that provide local accounts or an intermediary bank's details. When receiving money from abroad, Neon directs users to use their partners, such as Banco Votorantim or Banco Rendimento, which are often the actual institutions handling the foreign exchange and transfer. Always consult the Receive from Abroad section in the Neon app for the most current and specific instructions, including any necessary intermediary bank details, the correct SWIFT/BIC code of that partner, and the required account information. If you are sending money abroad from your Neon account, you will also utilize a partner service within the app. Neon does not execute the SWIFT transfer directly. The platform will guide you through the process, and the recipient bank's SWIFT/BIC code will be required at that stage, but this code belongs to the receiving bank, not Neon. The key takeaway is that Neon itself does not possess a direct, public SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. Always use the information provided inside the Neon application for any incoming or outgoing international transaction to ensure accuracy and avoid delays or lost funds.